Here's how to remove green screen background using Capcut. On your smartphone, open the Capcut app. Now let's create a new video project. I'm selecting the green screen video and tapping on Add. And here we have our green screen video. First of all, I'm going to delete the ending part from my timeline. Okay, now select the green screen clip in your timeline. In this bottom menu, slide to the left side and find out Remove BG. Tap on that. Tap on Chroma Key. And now you need to move this circle to green color. And here we can see the green color has been successfully removed. Now you can adjust this intensity to make your background perfect, just like this. You can also adjust shadow, feather, and this option. Once you're happy, tap on Done. And as you can see, the green screen background successfully removed. Now if you want to add a new video for the background, you can just tap this plus icon here. And now from your gallery, select the new video background, tap on Add. Once it's added, select your green screen video clip. Then in this bottom menu, find out Overlay, tap on that. And here, as you can see, my background successfully replaced. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.